Greetings, Derek DeBrosse from Columbus, Ohio, coming at you again. Munitionsgroup.com, Munitions Law Group, just a traditional law firm. All we do is anything in the sporting goods, firearms industry. Give us a call if you have any questions, concerns, or comments. Today's question we have from a Mr. Finn, and it reads, if someone knowingly carries into a posted no gun area, like a movie theater, and has to use deadly force, are they able to claim self-defense? I've read somewhere you cannot be committing a crime and claim self-defense. Asked because many groups you see this BS judged by 12, carried by 6. It's an interesting question. It's actually a very good question. It's somewhat of a deep question. I actually reached out to a good friend of mine, Andrew Bronco, and we kind of discussed it. What I'm giving you today is obviously not legal advice. This is just general principles of law, and the answer would be yes, you could still claim self-defense. Now, if you're in a stand your ground state, you likely, depending on how the statute is written in that state, could lose the ability to claim stand your ground, so you would be back into a traditional self-defense analysis, meaning you have a duty to retreat. Now, in the state of Ohio, you have that duty anyhow, so I don't think it would affect that. Self-defense at its core is a justification defense. There is a crime committed in a vacuum, but you are justified in committing that crime because of the facts. The common example we had in law school is you're out in Lake Erie in a canoe, and all of a sudden a storm brews up and you're going to capsize. Can you go to Rattlesnake Island, which is a private island, and trespass? Yes, you can. You're justified in that trespass because your life's in danger. There's certain things that would allow for you to otherwise break the law. And now there could be some other case law out there, where this could change the analysis. There's plenty of cases where drug deals have gone bad and people have tried to claim self-defense, and that's not allowed. But as a general matter of law, self-defense is a justification defense. It's an affirmative defense that you generally affirm. And with that said, from a general standpoint, I do not believe you lose your right to claim self-defense. But again, it really comes down to state law, and it would need to be researched based on the facts at hand. I hope that gives you at least some guidance. If you have any other follow-up questions that will help me really kind of dissect it a little bit more and give you more nuanced, my opinion from a more nuanced manner, I'd be happy to do so. With that said, as always, be safe out there and carry on.